Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a crucial component for any serious ASUS ROG Flow X16 user, a replacement CPU and GPU cooling fan. Specifically, we're looking at the BDWZNLA replacement unit design for the GV601V, GV601R, GV601RE, GV601RM, and GV601RW models. Overheating can seriously impact performance, especially during intense gaming sessions or demanding creative tasks. This replacement fan aims to solve that problem, and from the specs, it looks promising. It's a complete unit, including not just the primary CPU and GPU cooler, but also a small auxiliary fan with the designation FPCG DFS 5J129134524. This smaller fan operates at DC 5V and 0.5A, providing additional cooling to critical areas. The main cooling unit itself is powered by DC 12V at 1A, utilizing a standard 4-pin connector for easy installation. BDWZNLA specifies a noise level of just 14.2 dB, which is impressively quiet. This means you can expect efficient cooling without the distracting whirring or buzzing that plagues some aftermarket fans. The maximum rotational speed is listed at 5,500 radians SEC, indicating a powerful airflow to dissipate heat effectively. The inclusion of the smaller fan is a thoughtful touch, addressing potential hotspots that the main cooler might miss. The model numbers FPCF DFSCK 221051825 and FPCJ DFSCM 227163925 for the main cooler suggest a well-engineered design tailored for the ROG Flow X16's specific thermal requirements. Air cooling is the method employed here, which is standard for laptops. While it might not be as exotic as liquid cooling, a well-designed air cooler like this one can provide excellent performance and reliability. The 12-watt power rating suggests a balance between cooling power and energy efficiency, crucial for maintaining battery life on a laptop. If your ROG Flow X16 is experiencing thermal throttling, or if your current fan is failing, this replacement unit from BDWZNLA appears to be a solid option. The low noise level, high rotational speed, and inclusion of the auxiliary fan all point to a well-designed and effective cooling solution. Of course, proper installation is key, so be sure to consult your laptop service manual or seek professional assistance if you're not comfortable with the process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.